As a new management team with different objectives, whether that were objectives from operations, from radiologist recruitment, or from sales and finance, the Shared Success Workshop helped us to bring all that together and actually come out with some clear outcomes for phase 1 of our implementation. So I think what that workshop enabled us to do was, as a team, come together, clearly look at what benefit we're going to get from implementing the system and how we do it in a practical way.
The Shared Success Day, I think it was 2 days we did, it was eye-opening. We were asked what we were looking for, and at the time I remember efficiencies and sales growth, and we demonstrated how our business was operating at the time, numerous drives and spreadsheets to look through, and we were given the reassurance on that success day that can go, yes, you can put this in here, we can help streamline your business. So it was really exciting, and it just gave us the encouragement we needed that this was the right thing we were going to do.
The Shared Success Workshop was very important for Elos Medtech because all our production sites have been managing their own customers, and they of course did not really see the need of having a global platform. And that workshop actually made them understand that their contribution actually make a difference to the global sharing of data.
They gave us a demo, and then they told us about a workshop where they would help us scope out our CRM requirements. So they actually had, I think it was 3 consultants come to Denmark over the course of 2 days, and they scoped out everything from A to Z. The Shared Success Workshop, they actually showed us the product, and that's when we came to realize it is extremely user-friendly.